Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I am going to be talking to you about a subscription styling service. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. It is so important for you to feel good in your skin, but that means you've got to wear something on top of your skin, like clothes, and the clothes is definitely going to define you. People say, oh, it doesn't matter what kind of clothes you wear, it depends on who you are, and you know, that's not true. If you take into consideration that perhaps you're going on a job interview and you're wearing, you know, the wrong clothes for that work environment, you're going to be judged by that. So yes, there is a lot to say about the power of the packaging. And with us, the packaging is the clothing that we wear. Not only that, it gives you confidence and it gives you a sense of identity when you can express yourself through your clothing. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a subscription service that was sent to me so that I could unbox it and share it with you. The name of the company is Fashom. Fashom. Okay. And I already opened up the box, which by the way was very cute because I like the colors and I like the way it comes packaged. I already opened up the box and I briefly read over the instructions because this is the first time that I do any kind of a fashion subscription. I was a little bit scared, number one, because of the sizing, and number two, of course, the style, and number three, I don't want to be having to end up with clothing that I don't want. So I'm pretty particular with the clothing that I wear, believe it or not. So in the package, they bring you your thank you envelope and also an envelope to return whatever pieces you don't want or you don't need or don't fit properly. And they bring a receipt as well as instructions as to what to do next. So it says you try on everything. Try it all on, even if you look at the piece and you say, no, this is not me. You try it on anyway, because you never know, it looks different on the hanger than when it does on you. So try it on. And let's see, what else does it say? To complete your order, go to the My Style tab and select the items that you're going to keep. So I suppose that after I decide what I'm going to keep, I go back to the website and I click on the items that I will be keeping. Then it says that if it's not quite a fit, enjoy the free returns. I like that. I like that there is a free return. It's warm, I'm sorry. And it also says that that if there's any questions that I can email them. However, and this is the big however, you've got to decide within 3 days. I think I'm reading this right. It says save big on spending while you save rescue dogs. You have 3 days to decide which item to keep or return. Remember, if you buy 3 or 4, you get 25% off. And even better, if you purchase all 5, you'll receive 30% off. For each box sent, we donate $1 to Second Chance. So donating $1 to Second Chance Rescue Dogs is great. 3 days turnover is not. That really scared me. That's why I'm sweating, because even though they gave me this box, I still feel the pressure. It's the type of person that I am. I am very strict on myself when it comes to meeting deadlines. So I am feeling a lot of stress in terms of making sure I meet those 3 days. So I would have preferred, you know, more than 3 days. A girl wants to try things on perhaps over the weekend, and if you receive it on Monday, it's not going to happen. So that's the only thing, you know, that I have to say. But they're doing good for the dogs, for the rescue dogs. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on the side of the screen somewhere because I quickly tried these on. And I'm going to be showing these items to you and telling you the prices. Like I said, it's the first time I do a subscription box, and I kind of like the idea because I don't like going out and trying clothes. Okay, so let's do this in order. The first one that they show here is called a 22nd striped top with a colored trim and twist detail. I love the color combination of the mustard with the beige and black. I think that is lovely. I do not like the twist. I mean, that, in my opinion, is passé. That's done with and gone and over a few years old. So that, no. I may have kept this if it didn't have that twist. That kind of dates it for me. This one, the regular price is $30. And like I said, it's beautiful material, super comfortable. The style is not my style. Oh, and I have a message from my stylist saying, "Hi Marta, get excited. Your first Fathom box has arrived. I'm here. You will find some cute and breezy fashion, exclusive styles." Oh, it's so hot. For the summer, on trend for the summer, and you will find that I stuck to size large to give you enough room. And you know what? I was indecisive because I sent them an email and I said, you know, I've never been a large. So in these tops, I probably could have used a medium, but I'm glad that she stuck with a size large, and I think that that has something to do with being indoors in the pandemic. Oh my gosh, it is so hot. Okay, so yeah, I think that she did the right thing of going to the size large. Now let me go to the next top. And the next top is called a Renee C. abstract print. Okay, so here is the top. And again, it's a very good material, high quality material. Unfortunately, this is made in the USA, very nice, but unfortunately, these are not my colors. These are too somber for me. I like colors that stand out, that are bright and cheerful. So I will not wear this. It's just too somber. Okay, now we're gonna go to the next one. The next one is a staccato sleeveless wrap. Okay, this one is, oh, I didn't tell you the price. Wait, this one that I showed you before, the abstract print, is $36. And now I'm gonna show you this one. And I love the colors. It's very relaxing, like for hanging around in the house. This is $39. It's a very cool and breezy material. This one is made in China. But like I said, this is not my style. This is not my style because I believe that it is just a little bit dated, and it's not my style because I believe that it's too serious. So no, I don't think I would wear this. I don't, you know, and like I said, I just think that this wraparound detail that it has over here is something that makes the top a dated, trendy type of top, but trendy in the past. I am so sorry, you know, but at least you know that I'm honest, right? I am very honest, very, very honest. So those tops didn't make it. Now here we have another top, and this one is called 9X's Libby halter top. This one is $41. And this top was, I guess, it was a pretty top. And this style is pretty much a classic type of a cut. It never really goes out of style. I did not like the way it looks on me, and also I don't wear this type of top because I don't wear halter bras. I only wear, you know, bras with straps, and this looks very bad with a strap poking out of it. So this is not a top that I will use at all. So we're down to one shirt now, one blouse. One blouse. And you know, that's the other thing. I don't understand why they only sent me blouses. I would have liked a mix, a blouse, a pair of pants, a skirt, a dress. I would have loved that. Okay, so here we go. And the final item, this one is called Skies Are Blue, and this is an embroidered sleeveless top, and this one is $41. And let's see, made in China. Now, this top is a classic cut, never goes out of style. The colors are fabulous. It's very unique. This is the type of top that you wear and people will stop you and they will say, oh, that is so cute. Okay, it stands out. It's not your ordinary top. And I love it. I love it. This hit it way out of the ballpark. I just love it. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So this one I am keeping, look at the details here on the back. How absolutely lovely that is. Perfect material for this hot weather in Miami, Florida. So this is a winner big time. Big time. Absolutely love it. But the other ones, no. So yeah, you know, if somebody is shopping for you, there has to be a learning curve with regards to style. There is a section that you fill out some questions and you say, what do you like? Do you like this style or that style? What type of clothes do you like? And they try to gauge your style with those questions. I don't think they got it. I really don't. So, you know, even if you look at these two, if you compare this one with this one, I don't think they're in the same range of style. I don't know. I think that all of these are in the same style range. All of these are in the same style range. This one I would have kept. Absolutely. I love the contrast. I love it, but no. Anyway, but it's nice, great material. I really like the material and the color combination. Okay, so yeah, that's it for me. So I am going to go ahead and put all the information below for you in the details, referrals. I know that if you refer a friend, you get a $10 credit for every friend that makes a purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of the information below, and don't take it wrong. I like, this is a tremendous find. This is the type of top that you don't find everywhere. This is a very unique type of top. So I am very happy about this. I think that the entire purchase experience, this top made it worth it. This one top, because it's so unique and I love it so much. So I hope that you loved my video. Hit that like button and subscribe. And more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy.